Hi guys, it's Elisa at Cottage Homesteading. Today I'm going to show you how I'm making an easy melt and pour lavender soap using lavender from the garden and pure essential lavender oils. It's so easy that even the young ones can make it. I'm starting to make my Christmas preparations and soap is on the list for things I need to be making. This is a loofa that I grew in the garden last summer and it's been dried out, the outside's been taken off and most of the seeds have been taken out. I'll just take a few more out to make sure there's none in there. Okay, and what we're going to do with this is cut the loofa so it fits in the moulds. We'll place that in the mould. So 4 of these soaps are going to be loofa soaps and 4 are just going to be plain lavender soaps. You'll need to gather your supplies before you start making the soap so that you've got everything ready. I'll leave the information in the description below on what you'll need. You'll need a heavy base saucepan, some melt and pour soap, a spoon for mixing, some moulds. I really like using these silicone moulds and the oval ones are my favourite because the oval shaped soaps fit really nicely into your hands when you're using them. I've got this wooden chopping board which, apart from protecting the table from cutting the loofah, I've also got it for the hot saucepan to sit on once it comes off the hot plate. The last 2 ingredients can be switched up depending on what sort of soap you want to be making. I'm making lavender soap today, so of course I'm using pure essential lavender oil and dehydrated lavender flowers from my garden. I also like to make orange soaps using dehydrated orange peel, which I've made a video on. You can watch that. I'll leave the link in the description below. And with the orange peel, of course, I use pure essential orange oil. Come over to the stovetop. I'm melting it on the lowest setting so that it doesn't melt too quickly. So nice and slow is what you want. Once all the soap's melted, it's ready to pour into your moulds. Add your pure essential lavender oil into the soap mix, or whichever oil you're choosing to use. You can use as little or as much as you like. Mix it in well so that you can't see any of the pure essential oils. And this is the tricky part where you're meant to get it into your mould without spilling it. With the loofah soaps, you'll need to push the loofah down with something because it wants to float up. It needs to absorb all that soap into the little holes and the air pockets that are in the loofah. And then sprinkle on top your lavender flowers. If you like, you can mix them into the soap or you can just have them on top. Other flavours you can make are lemon soaps, coffee soaps. It depends what you're growing in your garden, what herbs and plants you can use in your soaps. And then choose an essential oil that complements that. Now we just need to leave them undisturbed and not be tempted to stick our finger in before they set. It's been 17 hours and although it's 30 degrees Celsius in the house, the soaps are well and truly set now. All you have to do to remove them is stretch the outside and they just pop out like that. They smell gorgeous. I know this isn't like making homemade soap with lye, but that's dangerous and it's not something that the kids can do. Whereas this is a great project for the kids. It's just creative and it's fun, and you can use your imagination in what you put in the soaps. And it makes a really nice gift too, which is perfect at this time of year. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.